ChatGPT helps with Excel formulas, data analysis. Open ChatGPT in Chrome. We're already signed in at chat.com. Start with formulas. Describe your columns and the result you need. Try write a VLOOKUP that returns price from sheet 2 by product ID. ChatGPT gives a ready-to-paste formula with the right match type. Next, use SUMIFS for filter totals across multiple columns. Ask for West Region revenue in Q3 with SUMIFS. Get conditional sums you can drop straight into your sheet. Summarize flat data with pivot table guidance step by step. Ask how to show monthly sales by category in a pivot. ChatGPT walks through rows, columns, and values fields. Automate repetitive tasks with VBA macro help. Ask for a macro that deletes blank rows in the used range. Copy the code into a macro-enabled workbook and test safely. Finally, get spreadsheet tips for cleaning messy data. Ask for 5 cleanup steps before you build reports. Trim spaces, remove duplicates, and use tables for auto-expand. Work smarter in Excel. Let ChatGPT draft you. Verify everything.